Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe without signing in. Many people want to access Adobe's powerful tools without creating an account or logging in. While full Creative Suite access always requires a subscription and sign in, there are specific ways to interact with some Adobe services for basic tasks. We will explore these methods, focusing on free options and workarounds for common needs. This guide will help you navigate Adobe's ecosystem without commitment. For viewing PDF documents, the Adobe Acrobat Reader desktop application is your best friend. You can download and install it completely free of charge from Adobe's official website. Once installed, you can open any PDF file on your computer without ever needing to sign in or create an Adobe ID. This allows you to read documents, zoom in on details, and even print them, all without any account requirements. It's a straightforward solution for basic PDF consumption. Adobe also offers a selection of free online PDF tools that can be used for quick, one-off tasks without signing in. For example, you can often convert a PDF to a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a JPG image directly on their website. Similarly, basic actions like merging two small PDFs or splitting a single file might be available. However, be aware that repeated use or more advanced features will typically prompt you to sign in or subscribe after a few uses. It's crucial to understand the limitations when using Adobe without signing in. You will not be able to edit PDF documents, create new ones, or use advanced features like redaction or form filling. Furthermore, access to any Creative Cloud applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro is strictly tied to a paid subscription and an Adobe ID. Cloud storage, document syncing, and collaborative features are also unavailable without logging into an account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.